In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable camera in Teams permanently. This method will ensure your camera isn't accidentally activated in any application, including Teams, by disabling it at a system level. To kick things off, you'll want to locate the search bar on your computer. On most Windows systems, this is typically found on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, appearing as a magnifying glass icon or a text field that says "Type here to search." Once you've found it, click on it to activate the search function. Now carefully type Device Manager into the search box. The Device Manager is a vital control panel applet in Microsoft Windows, allowing you to view and control the hardware connected to your computer. It's where we can manage and troubleshoot devices like your webcam. After typing, you should see Device Manager appear as the top result. Click on it to open the window and proceed to the next step. With the Device Manager window now open, you'll see a tree-like structure listing various hardware categories. Your next task is to locate and click on the Cameras category. This might sometimes appear as imaging devices, or even be nestled under sound, video, and game controllers, depending on your specific system configuration and the type of camera you have. Look for the small arrow or plus sign next to these categories. Clicking on it will expand the section, revealing a list of all the camera devices currently installed on your computer. You might see an integrated webcam, an external USB camera, or perhaps even multiple entries if you have several cameras connected. Carefully identify the camera you wish to permanently disable. This is a crucial selection, so take a moment to ensure you're choosing the correct device. Once you have successfully identified the specific camera you intend to disable from the expanded list in Device Manager, your next crucial action is to right-click on that particular device. This action will immediately bring up a context menu, which presents a range of options related to managing that hardware component. You'll typically observe choices such as Update Driver, Properties, Uninstall Device, and the one we're precisely looking for, Disable Device. It's vital to ensure you right-click directly on the name of the camera you wish to control. This confirms the context menu is relevant to the correct hardware. Carefully scan through the options that appear in this menu, understanding that each provides a different function. Our primary focus, however, remains firmly on the Disable Device option, which we will select in the very next step to achieve our objective. Now that you have the context menu open, and you've identified the Disable Device option, go ahead and click on it. When you select Disable Device, your operating system will typically prompt you with a confirmation dialog box. This message usually asks if you are sure you want to disable this device, often warning that doing so will stop it from functioning. Read the prompt carefully, and then confirm your decision by clicking Yes or OK. Disabling the camera here means that Windows will no longer allocate resources to it, and no application, including Microsoft Teams, will be able to detect or use it. This provides a permanent solution until you choose to re-enable it. You'll notice a small down arrow icon appearing next to the camera in Device Manager, signifying it's successfully disabled. If you ever need to use your camera again, simply return to this same spot, right-click and select Enable Device. For now, your camera is permanently disabled for Teams and all other applications.